In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a domain on Hostinger step by step. If you've built a website and want to link your custom domain so visitors can access your site using a professional web address, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. The good news is Hostinger makes this very simple, and you can connect your domain in just a few clicks directly from the dashboard. Whether you bought your domain from Hostinger or from another registrar, the process is very similar. I'll show you where to click, what settings to check, and how to make sure your domain connects correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you enter your email and password, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard. This is where you manage all of your hosting plans, domains, and websites. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu with several options. The one we want to click is called Websites. Click on Websites and Hostinger will show you a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Each website listed here will have a few management options next to it. Find the website where you want to connect your domain. Once you locate it, click the button that says Edit Website. This will open the website management area where you can control settings related to that specific site, including domains, hosting configuration, and other tools. After clicking Edit Website, you'll be taken into the website management panel. At the top right area of this page, you'll see several options related to your website settings. Look for the option called Connect Domain. This is the feature Hostinger provides to link a domain name to the website you're currently managing. Go ahead and click on Connect Domain. Hostinger will now open the domain connection interface where you can add or attach a domain to this site. If your domain is already inside your Hostinger account, it may appear in a drop-down list. If it doesn't appear, don't worry, you can still connect it manually by entering the domain name. Now simply type the domain name you want to connect to your website. Make sure you enter the full domain exactly as it was registered, including the correct spelling and extension, such as .com, .net, or .org. Once the domain is entered, follow the prompts Hostinger shows on the screen. In most cases, Hostinger will automatically configure the required DNS settings for you. This means your domain will start pointing to your website hosting automatically. After confirming the domain connection, the system may take a little time to fully activate. Domain connections usually start working within a few minutes, but in some cases, DNS changes can take a few hours to fully propagate across the internet. Once everything finishes updating, your domain will now be connected to your website, and visitors will be able to access your site using that custom domain name. That's all it takes to connect a domain on Hostinger. As you can see, the process is very beginner-friendly and only takes a couple of minutes inside the dashboard. If this video helped you connect your domain successfully, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, hosting guides, and simple tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.